Success and happiness is within you. I'm going to give you 10 habits of most successful people. You must remember this. 1. Set the goal clear with a clear purpose. Who am I and what I want it to be? The answer is within us and need to look inside. Clarity of the life and clear purpose makes you disciplined. Number two, successful people take complete responsibility of their life. Don't blame others. Don't give reasons. Don't be the loser. The winner always says, let me do it for you. The loser say it's not my responsibility. So if you want to be successful, you must take complete responsibility and you must commit for that. Then the success becomes yours. Then rule number three, they have great discipline. The successful people, it's not the success will drop from the sky. They have a great discipline. Example, they got to wake up early in the morning, 5 a.m., they will wake up. They need to do jogging, they do the jogging. They do everything. It's just a disciplined mind, disciplined body. That's the best indication for the successful people. If you are not disciplined, naturally you will not able to see the success. So the clear goal and purpose needs mind to be disciplined and need to be very consistent. Rule number 4. Successful people read and listen all the time. So successful people needs lot of knowledge. Knowledge is the power. Talents are the transformation. Say if you set in a vision and if you act upon the vision, then you can see the transformation. You have a vision but you don't act, it's only imagination. Or you keep doing something but you don't know what you are doing, it's just you are creating a confusion. So it's very important you set a clear vision and action, it will be transformation into a success. So need to read at least one book per week, and I listen to the heroes, listen to businesses, listen to everyone possible and take what necessary for your success. Rule number 5. Successful people manage the time very well. I think the time management, all of us has just 24 hours a day, no matter whether is a poor or a rich or a success or no success, the time is the same. How one can be very successful, others always keep blaming, hey, I have no time for exercise, I have no time to read this book, I have no time to go and listen to this class. No, it's just a blaming because they are compromising not to be successful. So give priority. Don't complain like no time. All great achievers have the same time as others. Rule number 6. They take risk. The success will not become easy way. One must be ready to take the risk. The risk takers always will come out with the successful people. Should not fear for the risk. More failures teach the facts of failures and bring confidence and courage. So don't hide your pain. Don't run away. If you don't change, nothing will change. No one will come and change for you. You have to take the complete responsibility of your success. And if you are responsible, you are disciplined, and you will see the way to be successful. Rule number 7. Successful people never quit. Keep going and never fear for failures. Like I say, winners don't quit and quitters don't win. Fear is invisible things and it hold back of your energy, spirit and enthusiasm. So you never afraid of the failures. So never quit. You keep going, success will be yours. Rule number 8. They find a way to win. Whatever it takes to win. Winners always have a way to win. Successful people always wants only winning. They don't want keep saying that I'm keep failing. I don't want to do. Winners always they will find a way to win. That is what the success will comes by. Rule number 9. Successful people do what they love. It's very important. You should not do something which you hate, you don't love. So do what you passionate about. sure what you wanted to do in your life. Set your clear purpose, set your clear goals, and do it as you like it. Then you will be the successful. Next, the self confidence, which is very very important. It's not that someone will always come and push you up and give you confidence, motivate you. No, you have to take full control of your life, and you are in charge of your life. God has given everything to everyone, just we are not using its power. You need to be hungry to do more. It's hard, but you can make it. Look inner engineering of your mind and be self confident, self motivated. It's your life, and charge fully and take full control. The lastly, it is possible. If you follow these 10 rules, anything and everything is possible. The great achievers are also human beings like us. They have the same systems like us, and they have gone through the same thing. You need to be hungry in order to be an extraordinary. You need to do extra to be an extraordinary. So if you think it's possible, yes, it is possible. If you think it's difficult, yes, it is difficult. If you think it's impossible, of course it is impossible. So if you want to make it is possible, it's all in your mind and your decision. Whether we want to make it happen or keep blaming everything else except correct yourself. So all the best. In order to be successful, you follow these 10 rules.